Deeno Kidz.
It's bath time, wash and clean. Make your body fresh and keen. Water's flowing warm and bright, cleaning up to feel alright. Wash your hands clean and neat. Allah loves when we're complete. Scrub them well, 1, 2, 3. Ready for prayer, as pure as can be. Wash your face, eyes to chin. Smile and shine, feel clean within. Allah loves when we look bright, so fresh and pure, ready for the light. Wash your arms, elbows too. Clean them well and say Bismillah too. Allah's love fills up our heart. When we stay clean, we do our part. Wash your feet, feet so small. Washing them well, Allah sees it all. Step by step, we're clean and pure, ready for Salah, that's for sure. Now you're clean, Alhamdulillah, ready for prayer with no flaw. We thank Allah for health and grace. Now we're ready to seek His face. It's bath time, wash and clean. Make your body fresh and keen. Water's flowing warm and bright, cleaning up to feel alright.
Like and subscribe.